This is the first of a series of tutorials for CBRE giving an overview of Endpoint's Liquid Galaxy CMS. To start off, you navigate to your unique login page. Each of our systems has its own unique website that can be used remotely from anywhere in the world. From there, you can enter your unique username and password. This allows you to enter the CMS. You can observe all presentations that have been created on your system. Note that the CMS functions best in Chrome. Let's create a new presentation about baseball. We will create a few different scenes to tell your baseball story using various system capabilities. Once you have created what we call a scene within a presentation, you can add different assets. Assets can be anything from a picture or a video to a 3D model or a fly to or a location. First, we want to show off the view of the stadium as we were driving up to it. Let's start with the basic Google Street View scene. Let's call this scene Baseball Street View. First, you locate the Google Street View location you'd like to put on the system. Here's an example. When you've located the location, image, and camera position you want to use, simply copy the entire URL. You then go to the scene you just created and press the plus button to create a new asset. In the asset type field, scroll down and select Street View. You can now simply paste your URL right into the CMS, which will optimize the image to display perfectly on the Liquid Galaxy. Once the scene is ready, we can save the scene. We'll take a look at it on the LG at the end. Next, we want to show an example of what the entire stadium looked like so we can pinpoint where we were sitting. Let's try a Sketchfab 3D model. We create a new scene, let's call it Baseball Sketchfab. Then we go to sketchfab.com and choose the 3D model we'd like to use. Here we have a nice 3D model of a baseball stadium. We copy this part of the URL, everything after models, and then we navigate back to the CMS and choose Sketchfab as our asset for this scene. We input the URL, click save, and just like that, we've created another CMS scene. Let's create one more scene to show a highlight image and video about the game we saw and where the stadium lies on the map. Let's call this one Baseball Scene 3. This time, we are going to add an image, video, and a fly to. First, let's add the video. We're going to navigate down to choose an asset type and click video. Then we are going to locate the video on our computer. I've downloaded a baseball video onto my desktop, so I'm going to search my drive and locate the video. We'll let the video upload to the CMS. It should just take a few seconds. Now that the video is uploaded, let's determine where on the Liquid Galaxy this scene should appear. We can easily manually drag the video over to whichever screen we want. Let's put it on the left screen and size the video. The tab in the bottom right corner lets us easily size and place the video onto whichever screen we prefer. Each screen is 1080 pixels wide by 1920 pixels high. Let's say we want the video to appear 800 pixels below the top and to be centered below the two leftmost screens. We'll make the Y position 800 and select the Center Horizontally button. Next, let's add a baseball image. We click this plus button to create a new asset on this scene, just as we did for the video, and we choose what asset type we would like to put on the system. Scroll down to Graphic. Now, let's search the computer and locate the image. Just as we did for the video, we are going to drag this asset to wherever we'd like. Say, centered 30 pixels from the top of both screens. Lastly, let's add a fly-to to this scene. We should have a pre-made fly-to KML file that was created in Google Earth. As we did before, let's create one more asset. Select the KML tour type and upload our KML tour file. Save the scene and we are ready to view the presentation on the LG. This has been an overview of the CMS. We hope to see what kind of content you choose to create.